So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So this video is gonna be very special, very important, and also a very helpful video for all the beginners who wanna develop their English speaking skills and also wanna speak the English language very fluently and also with a good pronunciation. Because guys, today in this video I'm gonna share with everyone how to build up a fluent pronunciation. Yes, the fluent pronunciation. We search in the internet for a good pronunciation, how to make and how to build up a good pronunciation, and also sometimes we run behind and run after the fluency, how to become fluent in English, how to increase fluency of English. But today in this video I'm gonna share with everyone how to speak the English language very well, smoothly, fluently, and also with a great and also good pronunciation, because this topic is like that. And I'm pretty sure that none of us and all of you have heard the topic, the fluent pronunciation, for the first time, because this topic is made by Prativ Barman, means me. Yes, and this is a great idea for to develop and also for to make a very nice pronunciation. Try to understand that pronunciation is the most important thing, and without it we also can't speak. So that's why now I am just pronouncing the words, the sentences, all of the things that I'm pronouncing. I am also making sounds. They are called my pronunciation. Like think there are two kind of pronunciation. One is a Indian pronunciation, one is American pronunciation. Indian means the British pronunciation. So how we Indian we speak and we pronounce the words and the sentences in English. We pronounce them very roughly, very tightly. Okay, like there is an example: you can't win the game when the rules are broken. You can't win the game when the rules are broken. It is a very nice topic. You can't win the game when the rules are broken. But the American people, means the people who have a great and a smooth pronunciation, they speak it like, you can't win the game when the rules are broken. How the difference? Okay, what are the difference that I just did? And for that, the pronunciation they just already changed. I just did something which is very interesting, and I'm gonna share this thing in this video. So first of all, try to understand that fluency is very important, and with the fluency the pronunciation. So when we will speak the English language very smoothly, and when I will just add and link the words together, and when I will just mix it up, when I will just make it like a butter, and then when I will just eat it, when I will speak it, then it will be a good and a smooth pronunciation. And also with this I also will add the fluency, a little bit fluent I will. So it just also just like the volume up and also volume down when we hear a sound or when we hear a song. We also did this type of management. So this is also you have to do the management. So guys, now first of all understand that if you want to speak the English language fluently and also with a good and a great pronunciation, then you have to focus on the American pronunciation. Yes, American pronunciation. Now I am speaking the words, I am speaking the sentences, and I am also a little bit I am speaking and I am using the American accent. It means the American pronunciation, how the American people they pronounce the English language. If you can just master it, if you can just understand it, then your pronunciation it will just come very smoothly, and also it will be very beautiful pronunciation. Your sound, the words, the sentences, it will be great. So now first of all understand how to make it. Okay, just try to understand now how we are speaking. We are speaking like beautiful days don't come to you, you must walk towards them. Like the Indian people, we just speak like the British one, we speak like this: beautiful days don't come to you, you must walk towards them. But only you have to change it like it: beautiful days don't come to you, you must walk towards them. Beautiful days don't come to you, must work towards them. Some people feel arena that just get away. Some people feel arena that just get away. When you focus on problems, you'll have more problems, but when you focus on possibilities, you'll have more opportunities. Very great, very easy. Only you have to spread your mouth and you have to speak. You have to pronounce the words and the sentences. Okay, just spread your mouth. Spread your mouth. If you also can, then you can take a pencil or a pen, and then you can just put the pencil and the pen like into your mouth, and then you can practice it. And I will prefer to everyone, you also can do it. Just take 2 fingers. It's very natural. If you are going something and if you are traveling somewhere, then you also get time. Just take your 2 fingers, just push your mouth, push your lips like it, and then just speak that beautiful days don't come to you, must work out them. One best Facebook is equals to 100 good friends, but more good friends equal to library. So when you will do first few days, then it will be, and it will sound like a weird sound, like what he is speaking. If you are just doing conversation with someone, people will say, whoa, what are she is doing? You are just speaking and you are pronouncing the words and sentences very, very badly, weirdly. But no, be patient and just speak, speak, speak. Do the practice is regular, because practicing is very important. If you think that, oh, in this video I will get a trick, I will get a practice, if I just do the practice for one time, then I am gonna master the English language, I am gonna master the pronunciation, the speaking, the American accent, then you are totally wrong. Because I will not give you a magic wand, and with which you also can wish something and the wish will be granted. No, I will not give you any type of magicals and also just magics. Like, oh, just do it and then do it and then everything will be solved in your life. No, let's understand. In this world, only one thing we can done by the magic, and it is nothing. Yes, nothing. Makes sense. Okay, in this world there we can't do anything, nothing. And if you want to learn and to speak the English language great, good by only 1 hour, then I will give you advice. The advice is earn money and then spend all of the money and go to a magician. And then after going to the magician, ask the magician that, magician, I want to speak the English language very good, but I can't it, so give me some magics with which I can just speak the English language like master, very fluent. And then the magician will say to you, get out. Then you will just come here and then you will just practice and practice. So practicing is very important. Just do the practices. Only you need just 2 or 3 sentences. First of all, if you want to develop your pronunciation, then as I said to you, you can do it. Just take few courses and also few sentences and then pronounce it. Okay, pronounce, practice, it will be great. And the logic behind it is that whenever our mouth become like spreading shape position, then our whole mouth, it just pronounce all the words, all of the sentences like the American accent. Okay, the American people. So that's why if you also notice, then you can find out the American people, they don't do their mouth shape like O. Okay, like O. They don't do it. Like they just do. They speak every word, every sentence in this one mouth position. The spreading mouth position. So the spreading mouth position is a great practice and a great way to develop American accent pronunciation or any kind of pronunciation. Remember it first few days when you will just start speaking, then also you will forget, oh, now I have to just spread my mouth, like also now I'm speaking, I'm also practicing, I'm also a beginner, I'm not that much learner, I am also beginner. Whatever I learn from the world, I just also share with all of you. So it's my work, so that's why don't forget to subscribe this channel, because in this channel I'll post this type of more new videos about everything, okay, everything about the English language. If you have any kind of problem, you can ask me down below in the comment section. I will try my best to give you the answer. And also the thing that I was talking about, it is that when also we read the ABCD, then also you're gonna focus, you will understand that when we read and when we spell the ABCD, then our mouth shape also become like spreading mouth position, like A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So this is the secret behind. Okay, just speak it, just make the spreading mouth position. Great practice, beautiful practice. Okay, like few examples I will give you. Just notice in my mouth. Okay, so like a few bad chapter does not mean your story is over. A few bad chapter does not mean a story is over. It's our natural, and also it's the pronunciation that we make for speaking English. But now I'll just do the spreading mouth position and let's see what happens. A few bad chapter doesn't mean your story is over. A few bad chapter doesn't mean your story is over. A few bad chapter doesn't mean your story is over. You don't have to just look at no. Like a little bit spreading mouth position, okay, like this, and then just speak, like smile. Okay, we also just smile. So if you also like smile it like a, and then with a smile, with a cheese. If you just speak that, yes, hi, how are you? I'm very fine. How's about you? How the days are going for you? Whatever your family, what's your name? Little things, conversational things, and also whatever you want, you can speak. So just remember it. And also, like for another example is, if you born poor, it's not your, if you born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it is your mistake. If you born poor, it is not your mistake, but if you die poor, it is your mistake. If you born poor, then it's not your mistake. If you born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. If you born poor, like mistake, there are also some words that you have to solve by your own self. Mistake. It's like simple, like word. Don't pressure yourself as much to like the speaking the words. Like, if you born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, then it's your mistake. Mistake. You can also say mistake. Don't pressure like do. Like, there are some words. Okay, if you pronounce the word, then you can feel the vibration in your atom. Okay, in your throat. So just make them smoother. If you can make them smoother, those words, then it will be very important, very interesting, and also very helpful. And for to make those words smoother, our sparing mouth position, it just works and it helps there. So is the thing. And just remember one thing: if you want to develop your fluent pronunciation, then first of all you have to focus on one thing, and it's not the people. Yes, if you speak for people, then you are not gonna develop it. But if you speak for yourself, then it will be very interesting. We Indians, and also most of the people, we just speak the English very slowly and also very roughly. Because for what? Because for the people. If I speak the English language with someone, so the person, he or she, has to understand my words, understand my sentences, what I am speaking. So this thinking is the danger thinking. If you can remove this thinking, then automatically your fluency will develop and your pronunciation, it will go at a peak. Okay, gonna peak. If you watch the Elon Musk, the very big, great, successful people, like sound and also speaking, then you'll understand that don't care about the people. Okay, I am speaking the English language fast. I am speaking the English language very smoothly. I'm just mixing the words that you're also not able to understand. It's not my fault. Okay, I am pronouncing the word perfectly, but it's my style to pronounce. So you can't understand, it's your fault. Okay, you are Indian, so that's not mean that you can't like master the American accent, the American pronunciation. It's totally wrong. And I will say that the American pronunciation, if you can master it, if you can develop it, then you also can see a number of benefits. Yes, benefits. Like think, and also I am speaking and I am feeling that great. I am feeling great today speaking. I am speaking the freely, and what's coming in my brain, I am just speaking. The words, they are just joining automatically. They are coming from my mouth very fast, very fluent, and also smoothly. And I'm feeling great. I'm not feeling tired anymore. If you speak English roughly and also without any good pronunciation, without smoothing, without the adding, mixing, then you will feel tired after a few moments. But if you speak like now as I am speaking, the practice that I showed you, like it, based on it, then you are not gonna feel tired. And you also can cover a long, and also you can cover a number of things in few time. So remember it. Bye bye. It was today's video. If you feel it just helpful, then also you can like, you can subscribe, you can comment. Okay, it's your work. If you do this, then also the YouTube, it will share this video to a number of people also. Okay, and if you want, then you can share. If you share, then it will be very thankful to you. Remember, do good for others, it will not come back in a no, I just mistook that. Do good for others, it will come back in unexpected ways. Okay, today if you just make something and help me, then God also will return this thing in another way. Okay, but don't accept it, don't expect it. Expect, the thing, English is very critical, English is very very dangerous language, but if you can master it, then you're gonna be the dangerous person. So bye bye, just subscribe this channel. If you subscribe, then your English speaking journey will be more shorter, and I'll fulfill it with new like ideas, tips and tricks, and also fun and joy. And if you want to learn the English language more quickly and number of things more in a shortcut way, then just click on this video, because in this video I have shared a shortcut to learn the English language, to master the English language. So just click on it and find out what is the shortcut. Bye bye.